Case Study, Experimentation and Testing with Respect to Web Analytics 2.0. In this case study, we will discuss how experimentation and testing are critical components of Web Analytics 2.0, and how they can help businesses improve their online presence. Case Study. A leading e-commerce company, XYZ, wanted to increase its website traffic and revenue. The company had already implemented Web Analytics 2.0 tools to measure user behavior and identify potential issues on their website. However, they were struggling to convert their website visitors into customers. To address this issue, they decided to focus on experimentation and testing. Step 1. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs. The first step in any experimentation and testing project is to identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that you want to improve. In the case of XYZ, their KPIs were website traffic, bounce rate, time spent on site, and conversion rate. These KPIs were essential to measure the effectiveness of their website and identify areas of improvement. Step 2. Hypothesize and design experiments. Once the KPIs were identified, the next step was to hypothesize and design experiments that would help improve these KPIs. In this case, XYZ wanted to improve their conversion rate, so they hypothesized that changing the website's design and layout could help achieve this goal. They designed 2 experiments, one that changed the website's color scheme and another that changed the website's layout. They used A/B testing to measure the effectiveness of each experiment. Step 3. Implement and measure results. After designing the experiments, the next step was to implement them and measure the results. The experiments were implemented on the website, and the results were measured using Web Analytics 2.0 tools. The data collected included website traffic, bounce rate, time spent on site, and conversion rate. Step 4. Analyze results and optimize. Once the data was collected, the next step was to analyze the results and optimize the experiments. The results showed that the experiment that changed the website's layout had a significant impact on the conversion rate. The conversion rate increased by 15%, which was a substantial improvement for XYZ. Based on these results, XYZ optimized their website's layout and continued to test and experiment with different design elements to further improve their website's performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, experimentation and testing are critical components of Web Analytics 2.0. By identifying KPI, hypothesizing, designing experiments, implementing, measuring results, analyzing results, optimizing, businesses can improve their online presence and achieve their online goals. The case study of XYZ demonstrates how experimentation and testing can help businesses identify areas of improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize their website's performance.